centipede.
Hello everybody, this is Shannon here and we are playing survival games and I'm with Bentley.
Hi everybody, we're playing on Mineplex survival games, so let's go. Oh man,
Let's do this.
I don't even have a running start. Shoots. Oh dang, that guy's a wooden stone axe.
2 chests all to myself. 2 chests all to myself. Do you see me? Yes,
Yep,
you do.
I see you run.
Okay, I'm running.
I've a
Dropping some tripwires. I got a flesh hook. Ain't nobody gonna mess with me.
careful guy behind you.
Is it you?
No.
Are you not following me anymore?
I'm lagging pretty hard. I don't know what this
Dang it,
is.
Bentley.
No, I think I see you. Yep, I
Okay.
see you.
Okay, well, good to know, but we kind of need a weapon or something.
Yeah, I know.
I just want some carrots. Give me some of them carrots. Oh, so much good armor. I always get super good armor, but just no weapon.
Oh my goodness, I'm only getting like 30 frames recording because I don't know.
Here we go. Come on, get me out of here. There we go. Oh, chest.
Yeah, go
Wood
to
sword.
that
I got a
village thing.
I got a wood sword.
Okay, good. Let's go up here to the village thing.
Okay.
Ah, 2 chests, cool.
Awesome.
2 chests all to myself. Boom.
Yes.
Celebrate good times, come on.
Bum, 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 bum. Cinnamon.
Oh, there's a guy over there.
Okay, good. I don't know where he is. Hopefully he doesn't sneak up on me.
I kind of saw his name, but Oh, hey, good. I got an iron axe
Hey, dude.
and a wooden sword.
I got some good armor.
I'm gonna be the
Oh,
boss. of
sweet.
this
I got
guy.
an iron axe, too.
Oh, nice. Wow. We can both be the.
Double. Okay,
That's me.
Jesus.
I thought you were gonna hit me. I'm just like, child, that's me.
I know, I had to switch my axe first. Good thing you said something. I was about to chop.
Chop me up. Oh,
About
man,
to
buddy.
choke.
That would be bad, buddy.
I
Do you
don't
have
want
boots or
them
helmet?
cookies. I have a helmet that is not very good.
Yeah, do you want a golden helmet?
I will take a golden helmet.
Okay. Do you have any good food? Okay. Do you have any food loots?
How much do you need?
A couple pieces of something.
Okay, I have 22 carrots.
Oh.
Oh, there's a guy.
Oh, yep. I knew there was a guy somewhere, but I didn't know where he was.
He is lagging about. I don't even think he has a weapon.
Where are you?
I'm getting this guy. Woo, baby! It's alright, he's dead. He didn't have a weapon.
Did he even hit you?
He didn't have a weapon, so
Oh, he's just running.
Yep.
Running like a girl. Okay.
like a little scaredy cat.
Scaredy
I got some
cat.
pretty good armor now. Alright, I don't know where you are, though.
Yeah, I don't. I'm
do
still in that. I'm still in that
I have
village.
I've got a compass, so I can just point towards you. Oh, supply drop! I'm going to supply drop, Billy, I'm sorry. Try to grab a compass and head there, too.
Do it. I can't head there, but do it.
Right.
Is it kind of by spawn?
It's 200 blocks away. I can do this. Someone's mowing right outside my door. Outside my window.
Ookie.
They're mowing the carpet. Needs a little trimming.
Wow. Man, dude, I didn't know you could do that to carpet.
Oh yeah. Very clean family.
Do you get like a certain discount a month on it or anything or?
Oh no. We do it ourselves.
Oh, okay.
We actually do it for other people.
Oh, okay. Well, you know.
Dude, this guy just absolutely wrecked. I didn't hit him once. I just ground pounded him. All right. Supply drop. It's coming in.
Hey, buddy.
I don't know where it is, Bentley. Oh, there it is. Okay, there's people there. They're getting the stuff. Hopefully they're looting when I get there. Hopefully they're looting so I can sneak up on them and get them. Okay, come on. Give me the money. Oh!
I see you. I kind of see you when my chunks weren't loaded.
He's gonna turn around and fight me. Come on, I gotta get some hits on. Him.
I'm coming.
Come on. Dang it. I don't have any arrows. Alright, I'm good.
I'm gonna try to
Dang it.
boost you. I'll boost.
Give me a boost, Bentley.
Okay, I'm trying.
Why would he turn around to eat his bread?
Oh man, I don't have.
No, this guy is completely dead.
Wow.
All
Do you have any food? I can have his foods. I don't want the iron sword. I just want food.
Okay. Yes. Here, I would like you to take those. All right.
Okay, good.
Pretty good. That iron sword, though. And that iron axe just disappeared out of my inventory. Okay, here we go. Gotta sneak past this loot. Yeah, boy. Alright, I'll talk to you. Alright, now you pick
Oh, fudge.
Oh, stupid flesh hook thing. Get out of my inventory.
It's not gonna get out once it's a flesh hook.
I know.
Oh man, I had enough to make an iron sword too.
Good job.
Do you know where our crafting table is then?
There's probably one at spawn. God dang it.
Oh, yep, there is one at spawn.
I need to wipe my nose, but my mic is in the way.
Oh, help!
Alright,
Guy coming.
Okay, I'm coming. Sorry. I had to wipe my nose.
Oh, never mind. I got him. Yep.
No, I will get him. I want it. Oh, I really wanted to hit him with my fishing rod.
Ah,
There.
ow!
Belly, don't die.
Ow!
God dang it. I just freaking picked up everything.
Oh my goodness.
Did you get any of that loot?
I
Hey,
don't-
Frost. Hey, oh my god, it's coming for me, Belly. Run, run. I didn't think it was coming that quickly.
No.
Okay, here we go.
Hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Low my hair, I had frost, Jack. Frost. Okay. Let's go to spawn. I really need to go to spawn.
Okay. I'm going this way.
Of course, you know the way.
Oh, there's leaves over here. Sweet.
Oh, yeah, buddy.
Are you following me?
Nope. I'm coming though.
Alright. Slowpoke. There's a crafting bench here.
Yeah, I know. It's in the leaves.
Just waiting for you. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna fishing rod you. You're never gonna get this crafting bench. No, it's mine. It's mine. You'll never get it.
Shiloh, stop. Okay. I'm done.
Are you really?
Is there an enchantment table?
Oh, supply drop. I don't have a compass.
I do.
Alright, follow it, Belly. Follow it. Go to the supply drop.
It's really, really close.
Oh, there it is. Alright, we got to go. We got to get it.
Oh, yeah.
Got to get it. Got to. Holy crap, that was a big drop. I thought I would land on at least one of those leaves. Belly, I'm at 4 hearts. Help.
How can I help?
I don't know. By coming over here. Is that you? Or is that some other guy?
That's me.
Okay. Alright. The battle of who can click faster.
And of course, you're gonna get it with like a diamond sword and
I know, it's gonna have like full iron armor.
like it's gonna
Or
have
the diamond-
like
diamond
a
helmet.
Betty or something, or like 2 Bettys, and you're just gonna take them and stuff.
Alright, here we go. Here we go. Uh-oh, I'm lagging. Yeah, you got it. Dude, I
I don't
totally...
add iron pants into iron swords.
Oh, okay. Oh, that I didn't even need it.
Yeah.
I was lagging so hard. So hardcore.
I really need an enchant table though. I can enchant my iron sword.
I can enchant pretty much everything.
Mr. Steal all my
Mr.
kills.
Steel Kiss.
Mr. Steal kills.
Oh.
Mr. Steal kills. Mr.
Alright.
Steal. Mr. What the?
You'll never get me. Really? Is that who I'm going for?
I don't know.
Wow, I'm sorry that I just wrecked your day. That was kind of embarrassing. Ooh, she had
I-
some lingerie on her.
Oh man, put it on. We see in that beautiful lingerie. I'm bringing sexy back. Yeah.
Alright.
Someone probably thinks our gear is like really good, even though it's kind of not.
I have almost got full iron armor. Okay, I totally did not just eat that. I'm done. I'm done with this. You just ate one of my mushroom stews for me. I had 2 mushroom stew. Oh! Alright.
But you still have
Frost
one
is
left,
coming real quick. Is the deathmatch starting soon? Oh, slash DM.
Wow, no one started it.
I know. Belly,
Oh my
I'm
goodness, Shiloh, we better find a route.
I'm
Diamond
running.
sword time. Diamond sword time.
No.
Come here.
You got a diamond sword?
No, I'm kidding.
Ah! Dude, we're getting totally cornered.
Oh no, this is like
No,
this is
no,
like that one
no,
game.
no,
Fudge.
no.
No, this is like that one game. No, Shiloh.
What? No!
I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
Really? I always want to tell you. I always loved you.
Stop.
I always loved you. I always loved you. No. Yes, dude. Half a heart. my mushroom stew and it barely saved me. Oh, belly. Oh my goodness. No, 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 no. No, no, no. No, 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 no. Alright, dude, I gotta win it now. Come on, for
dude,
you.
If you don't, I'm just gonna go over to your house and just kill you.
Oh, dude, this guy's lagging so hard. Come on, give me the girl. Give me this. Oh, dude. That was, come on, even though you died, that was probably the best ending that we've ever had. Oh, dude, that was so clutch. Half a heart. Oh, oh, the frost is too strong. We should have run for it when we could have. Oh, we totally got trapped. All right.
And then you just ate your mushroom stew like
I know. I could have given you one if I didn't eat my second one.
Yeah.
Lame. All right. Well, anyways, that was an awesome Hunger Games. Hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like. If you super enjoyed it, please subscribe. Leave a like for, that awesome Frost Clutch Plays Half a Heart Warrior deathmatch thing, Anyways, yeah, we'll see you guys all later.